Mom, today I want to go to the mall. I want to spend time outside. I want to go too. I also want to see the mall. No, Lily.
I am going with my friends. You may feel bored there.
I will not get bored. Please take me with you.
Noah, take her with you. But you must take care of her.
Okay, but you must stay close to me. You cannot walk away alone.
Hurry up, Lily. We need to get ready fast. We do not want to be late.
Come on, Lily, let's move it. We are running late.
I am ready now. I am very excited to go.
Everyone is ready? Let's go to the car now.
Wow, it is a beautiful day. I feel so happy today.
Sit properly and wear your seatbelt. We will reach the mall soon.
There are so many cars and buildings. Everything looks so big.
Stay close to me at the mall. Do not walk away from me.
We are here now. Let's go inside together.
Wow, this mall is so big. I have never seen a place like this.
Stay close, Lily. There are many people here.
We will go upstairs first. There are many shops to see.
This is moving by itself. It feels a little funny, but fun. Look, toys. I want to see inside for a minute. Do not go inside alone. Stay with me all the time. Just 1 minute. I will only look and come back. I will just look for 1 minute. Then I will go back. Wow, there are so many toys. Everything looks so beautiful. Lily? Lily? Where did she go?
Mom, Lily is not here. I cannot see her anywhere.
Where is Noah? He was right outside. I do not know this place. I think I am lost.
Noah, where are you? Please come back.
Hello, little girl.
Are you looking for someone?
Right.
Lily! Where are you? Please answer me.
She was just with us. How did she go missing so fast? I told her to stay with me. I should not have looked away.
Stay calm. We will find her together.
Hello, is this her family? The girl is safe with me.
Yes, that is our daughter.
Thank you. We are coming now.
Please let her be inside. I hope she is safe.
She is waiting for us. Come quickly.
Please let her be inside. I hope she is safe. Noah. I am here. Lily! Do not move. I am coming. I was so scared. I could not find you. I am sorry, Lily. I should not have left you alone.
It's okay now. You are safe with us.
I will not let you go again. You will stay with me always. I feel safe now. I will not go away again.
You must always stay next to me. The mall is not a safe place to walk alone.
I understand now. I promise I will stay with you.
Let's take a break here. We can have some ice cream.
I want chocolate ice cream. It looks very tasty.
Now you are smiling again. That is good to see.
This is a nice day for our family. We are all together and happy.
Family is most important. We stay together, always safe.
I am tired now, but today was a very nice day.
We had a long day. Now we go home and rest.
You were very brave today. I am proud of you.
We are home now. Come inside, everyone.
Today was special. We learned something important.
We must always stay together. That is how we stay safe.
I love my family. I will always stay close.